Do you understand what happened there?
Yeah, there's temporary lights.
They're going to be permanent soon.
Oh.
That's what they're installing.
Wait, this is 30.
We'll discuss them when you park up, okay? So we're following the sign for Bradford, and now we're following the sign for Horsforth. Okay? What's the speed limit here?
40.
Sorry?
40.
When was it 40? Because you were doing 36. So when did it go into a 40?
After the sign.
So what was the speed limit before the sign?
30.
Yeah. Them roadworks will not be gone before your test. They will be here for your test.
Okay. So you're looking for Horsforth?
We're following the signs for Horsforth. Tell me when you see the sign and tell me what your next course of action is.
It's on the right for the
Okay.
third exit, so I need to stay on the right.
Okay.
And then check the mirrors. Show right. Slow down. Count for the cars. Right. Okay.
That's lovely, that's fine. Continue following the road ahead.